my beautiful people, how are you? Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this hairstyle. Is it cute? Of course. Is it simple? Definitely. Can anyone achieve this hairstyle? Absolutely yes. You guys, I'm going to show you how I achieve this hairstyle, and when I say that everyone can achieve this hairstyle, it means that everyone can achieve this hairstyle. Okay, I wasn't good at it, and look at me now. Look at me now. It looks like I was born with it. And when I say that every single one of you watching can achieve this hairstyle, you best believe it. Okay, all you need is a long ponytail. If you have long, thick, beautiful, luscious hair, I hate you. With love. I hate you with love. So if you don't have a beautiful long ponytail, Shein got you. Shein got you. I bought mine from Shein, and hear me out. When I say run, don't walk. Girl, you have to run because they are €7.50 right now. When I bought mine, they were €5.50. So I'm assuming that more people are buying them. That's why they increased the price. So that's what I said. Run, don't walk. Okay? So yeah, this is what we're going to do in today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Vera. I post a lot of makeup tutorials, beauty videos related in general, and if you guys like what you see, hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you get notified every single time I'm posting a new video on my channel. Let's just jump into the video because this is a simple, easy video I want you to watch. And I'm sorry, as I said, everyone can achieve this hairstyle, and I mean it. I'm going to show you what you need for this hair tutorial, but basically you don't need much, and I'm sure that everything I'm going to show you in today's video, you already have it at home, so you don't need to go and buy basically anything besides the ponytail. So you're gonna need a hair tie. I'm going to use a black one. If you have blonde hair or lighter hair, make sure you use a hair tie that matches your hair color, if that makes sense. I have like 2 combs and a brush. I think I'm going to use all of them, so use whatever you have, okay? And for styling, I'm going to use a hair foam styling, whatever this is called. Espuma para el pelo, okay? So this has hold 3, I think is like a medium hold, but if you guys want to use a styling hair gel, you can totally use that, or even a hair gel. What? This is hairspray. This is the baddest boy out there. Like, this is literally glue. I'm going to use this to lay down my edges a little bit. I'm not going to use this on my hair because I don't feel comfortable. I like this because it allows me to put my hair into a bun, but it doesn't feel like cement, okay? Oh, I also bought this for my eyebrows. But basically use whatever you have at home, okay? Also, depending on how long your hair is, you're probably gonna need some bobby pins. I don't need them because this will help me to lay down my like shorter hairs in the back. You'll see that. I'm going to show you how easy this hairstyle is. You don't need a lot of hair. I mean, don't get me wrong, you do need a little bit of hair for this hairstyle. You need to put your hair up into a bun or ponytail, whatever. I'm going to show you in a second. Yeah, let's go to my bathroom. By the way, the lighting is not amazing there, okay? So bear with me. Thank you. Okay, so it's super windy outside. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm going to brush my hair a little bit so I make sure I don't have any knots. And then I'm going to go with this styling foam, and I'm going to apply a lot. Look at this hair. And when I say I'm going to use a lot, it means that I'm going to use half of this bottle. I mean, not really, but almost. This is the forbidden whipped cream. It smells so good though. Like, I love this smell. So I'm going to apply this on my hair, all over the hair. Okay, so my hair looks wet. So next I'm going to take a comb like this. You can totally use whatever comb you have. Okay, I don't make the rules. And I'm going to brush my hair and I'm going to bring it up into a ponytail, but actually I'm going to do a mini bun. I mean, depending on how high you want your ponytail to be, like, you do you. But I want my ponytail to be like up here so you can see it, like when you like when you look at me, I want you to be able to see my ponytail, like the top of the ponytail. Some people like it a little bit lower. It's just preference here. Okay, I like it up. And make sure you don't have like little bumps or hairs like this. Like, make sure your hair is like very laid down and very like smooth. I think smooth is the word. So I changed my comb. Use whatever you feel comfortable. And I'm losing so much hair, I'm not even joking. Make sure it looks good in the back as well. I'm telling you, this is insane. Okay, I think that's good. Next I'm going to take my little comb and I'm going to gently brush that little bump I have. I mean, you can't even see it anymore. So yeah, if you have like little bumps, make sure you gently brush them down. I hope it looks good in the back as well. Anyway, next I'm going to wrap my hair and I'm going to make a little bun. You kind of want this to be as flat as possible. Let's see if we can do that. I'm just like twisting it and wrapping it around. Okay, I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin the end. You guys, you have to let me know where do you buy your bobby pins, because I swear to God I can't find the good ones to save my life. I bought these ones from AliExpress and they're like super hard. It hurts my scalp. I don't like them. I don't even know where I bought the good ones because I have them for so long now, and some of them they are like losing the little tip. They have like a little silicone or plastic on top, not on top, at the end, so it doesn't hurt your scalp. So I don't know where I bought these. These are the perfect bobby pins for me because they are not too long, they are not too short, and they work for me because I have thin hair, you know. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. That was it. I think I'm going to apply, like you can see those little flies. I'm going to go and apply a little bit more of this foam. Okay. I'm going to style a little bit my baby hairs. If you guys don't want to do this step, it's totally up to you, but I'm going to do it because I'm going to show you. I have like very small, barely coming in baby hairs or edges, whatever you guys want to call them, and no matter how much hairspray, hair glue I apply, they will still look like flyaways like this. Like the, I mean, if the camera wants to focus, of course I'm going to show you. So they're gonna look like this, and that's like annoying. You see that? It looks like little horns. So I'm going to lay them down. I'm going to do my best, and I don't want to hear you culture appropriation, because I respect and I admire every single culture out there. So if I'm doing this hairstyle, it doesn't mean like I'm disrespecting someone. Everyone is free to do their baby hairs. Is it my culture? Absolutely not. Like, I haven't seen my mother, my grandmother laying down their edges, but I can borrow this. trend, this hairstyle. This is not a trend, I'm sorry. It doesn't mean I'm disrespecting the culture or anyone. Like, I repeat myself, I respect and admire every single culture out there. This is like literally glue. So I like to use this for my eyebrows because it works. I love it. It's amazing. So I'm going to use this to do my baby hairs. I'm going to pick some of this product, and as you can see, they are like already out. Like, I have so many baby hairs. I always had them. I'm trying my best, okay? Don't come for me. And I like to do my baby hairs first and then go with my makeup. I know I'm going to get makeup on top of my little hairs right here, but I don't really mind. I much rather get makeup on top of my hairs than mess with my makeup. Like, if I'm doing these little hairs after I'm done with my face makeup, it won't look good, so I don't want that. I'm the only one who thinks that hair products smell so good. Like, for example, that foaming stuff. Every time I'm turning my head, I can smell it, and it smells so freaking good. And this is the gorgeous ponytail I'm going to attach to my little bun. It feels so good. It's just that it gets tangled pretty fast, so you need to like keep brushing it through the day. Other than that, I do really love it. So I'm going to attach it on my little bun so you can see how beautiful this looks. But I need to do my makeup first, okay? And then I'm going to show you the final result. But basically, this is it. This is the hair tutorial. This clip is like hard. As I said, I want you to see my ponytail. Like, when you look at me, I want you to see this top part of my ponytail. I know you can see the little clip in there, but you can like literally arrange the little hairs so you can hide those. And I think that's it. Is it straight? I'm going to clip only my little bun. I'm not gonna go under the bun because then it will be a little bit too tight and my head will start hurting. So yeah, this is it. This is the hair tutorial. Oh my goodness, I love how this looks. This is how it looks under the ponytail. I feel like you can totally wrap it around to create a big bun, but I don't want to do that. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? I honestly love it. I feel like it's super effortless and so easy to do. Honestly, it doesn't feel heavy on my head. I feel like I can do whatever I want with my head, and this one is like, no, it's not feeling heavy. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look with makeup and stuff. Let me just tell you, this hair makes me feel sassy AF. Beyonce who? I'm just kidding, but I'm not. Like, this hairstyle, it makes me feel extra sassy. Like, when I said in the beginning of the video that everyone can achieve this hairstyle, like, tell me what's hard about this hairstyle. Let me tell you, absolutely nothing. Every single step is super easy. You just need a hairstyling product so you make your hair super sleek, to hide your little, you know, breakage. Woo. Yeah, I have breakage. Very optional if you want to lay down the little baby hairs. Put your hair up into a very small bun and apply the hair extension. If you have long hair, good for you. Okay, I don't have that, so fake it till you make it. Okay, now you are a bad bitch with attitude. I mean, you are still a bad bitch without this hairstyle. Okay, that's my chair. Anyway, I feel like I talked enough in today's video, so let me know what do you think. Would you try this hairstyle? Just let me know. And I'm running out of air. You guys, you wanna say something? I shouldn't expose myself like this, but we are besties here, okay? We are best friends. This is a safe place, okay? So I got my period today and I am beyond bloated. You wanna see? You wanna see how bloated I am? This is insane. Like, I look super sexy and whatever on top, but on the bottom, I'm like humbled. Humbled. Like, look at this. You guys, look at this. I freaking look pregnant. Do you see this? I didn't have this yesterday. Like, I didn't look like this yesterday. Today I got my period, as I said. I was in pain when I was doing my hair, okay? Because, you know, periods are painful. Anyway, there you have it. I exposed myself on the internet. But I don't have any regrets. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. And also remember that this right here is absolutely normal. To me, it's normal getting this bloated. Anyway, bye guys.